Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how chocolate is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
It all begins with carefully selected cocoa beans. Each shipment is inspected, cleaned, and prepared to meet strict quality standards. The beans are then roasted, unlocking the deep flavors that give chocolate its rich taste. Next, the roasted beans are ground into a thick cocoa liquor. At this stage, temperature and texture are closely controlled to ensure smoothness and consistency. Digital systems and skilled technicians monitor every detail throughout the process. This is where the real transformation happens. Through refining and conching, the chocolate becomes smoother, richer, and more balanced in flavor. Each batch is carefully tested to achieve the perfect quality. Once ready, the chocolate is poured into molds, cooled and shaped with precision. High-speed automated systems then wrap and seal each bar, keeping it fresh and protected. Before leaving the factory, every chocolate bar goes through a final quality check. Approved products are packed, loaded, and shipped to stores across the country. And that's how chocolate is made, using modern technology, careful craftsmanship, and attention to detail at every step.
And that's how chocolate is made. Great. Free spuds. From start to finish.